The dice game occurs in the Sabha Parva, book of the Assembly Hall. After the Pandavas, led by Yudhishthira, established their grand kingdom of Indraprasth, their jealous cousins, the Kauravas, led by Duryodhan, schemed to bring about their ruin. The Mahabharata, the game of dice, Duryodhan follows the advice of his uncle, the cunning Shakuni, an infamous dice player, and invites Yudhishthira to a game of dice. They know well that gambling is Yudhishthira's one weakness. Vidura is sent to invite the Pandavas to visit Hastinapura and play a dice game there. Yudhishthira accepts the invitation. Both Dhritarashtra and Yudhishthira ignore Vidura's warning to avoid the game, which may result to a destructive consequence. The 5 Pandava brothers arrived at Hastinapura, the capital of the Kuru kingdom, for the infamous game of dice. Hastinapura was the seat of the Kauravas, led by Duryodhana. When the 5 Pandava brothers arrived at Hastinapura for the game of dice, Shakuni, the mastermind behind the deceitful plan, played a pivotal role in setting the stage for their downfall. He welcomed the Pandavas with feigned respect and cordiality, ensuring that they felt at ease and unsuspecting of his malicious intentions. Using his manipulative charm, Shakuni presented the game as a friendly contest. Initially, Yudhishthira, the eldest Pandava, pledged small stakes such as gold, jewels, and other royal treasures. However, under Shakuni's provocation and manipulation, the stakes steadily increased. One by one, the Pandavas lost their kingdom, Indraprasth, including all its wealth, lands, and resources, which were pivotal to their prosperity and power. Undeterred by these initial losses, Shakuni goaded Yudhishthira into betting his personal belongings. Yudhishthira then wagered his brothers, starting with Nakula and Sahadeva, followed by Arjuna and Bhima. Shockingly, he lost them all, one after another, condemning his siblings to slavery under the Kauravas. Finally, unable to stop, Yudhishthira wagered himself and lost, rendering himself a slave as well. Despite these catastrophic losses, Shakuni did not stop there. He provoked Yudhishthira to wager Draupadi, the Pandav's wife and queen, as the ultimate stake. Blinded by his addiction to the game and sense of honor, Yudhishthira succumbed, and Draupadi, too, was lost.